Every team has that one file, notes.txt. Or really, note script. NPC in the town. Which one? I guess this must be a joke. There's a better way to leave a note. What if the note just knew which one? Pin it to the GameObject. One click, and the note points right at it. No more guessing. Assign it to a teammate, tag it, drop a comment. That message that used to get lost in chat? It's on the object now, for everyone. Your notes don't live in a text file anymore. They live in the scene right where the work is. They scale with distance, expand when you get close, and never get in your way. One sketch or 100 tasks. Filter by status, importance, author, or tag. Search and the noise disappears. And when you ship your game, they're gone. No game objects, no runtime code, no notes shipped to your players. Zero footprint. Easy Notes by Birich Studio on the Unity Asset Store.